The 2025 rumors are in, and they're electrifying. Will it be a subtle evolution with more range and tech, or a complete makeover inspired by the sleek Mustang GTD? Buckle up as we explore potential performance upgrades, new features like an improved infotainment system, and the all-important price tag. Hi everyone, and welcome back to NamCar channel. Now, we're diving into the world of electric vehicles and getting all charged up about the rumored 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E. The rumor mill is churning out two main paths for the 2025 Mach-E: refinement or revolution. Imagine a refined version with a refreshed look, potentially packing more juice thanks to upgraded batteries, allowing you to gallop further on a single charge. We're talking a sharper front end, a sculpted body that cuts through the wind, and maybe even a high-performance GT variant that'll redefine electric muscle. Now, the price tag is always a burning question. While details are still under wraps, rumors suggest the 2025 Mach-E might see a slight increase due to potential upgrades. But don't worry, Ford likely wants to stay competitive in the electric race, so a dramatic price jump seems unlikely. The current Mach-E offers a good balance between range and power. The 2025 version could build on this strength, potentially reaching closer to 400 miles on a single charge. The rumored GT variant might boast a powertrain upgrade, translating to quicker acceleration times that could rival some gas-powered SUVs. Additionally, the driver assistance features could see advancements, offering more autonomous driving capabilities, making your highway commutes a breeze. So, will the 2025 Mustang Mach-E be an evolutionary refinement or a bold revolution? One thing's for sure, it promises to be an exciting chapter in the electric SUV market. Stay tuned for more updates as details solidify. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest electric car news, and let us know in the comments below what excites you most about the rumored 2025 Mustang Mach-E.